Okay guys, here is your review for MD3 and MD4, the intro to volume lessons. So this is a review. It's going to be really fast. This week's work was pretty simple. Basically all you're doing is counting cubes and then also multiplying. So take a look at this first shape. So this one is probably the trickiest out of all three of these first ones. You have to count the cubes here, the unit cubes, and figure out how many unit cubes are in this solid figure. And what you can't see are the two that are behind these two, but they're there. So what you could do to figure out how many are down there, if like you can't keep track, is find the base of this shape. So knowing that the length here is 4 and that the width is 2, you know that base is 8. 4 taken 2 times or 2 taken 4 times, the base is 8. And then you add 3 on top. 8 plus 3 is 11 unit cubes. Okay, this next one's pretty simple. You just count them. Now I saw on some of your interactive notebooks that you were finding the volume as if this was a whole shape. So for example, you were finding the missing cubes too and figuring out what the total of the volume would be if I filled in the whole thing. That's not what this is asking. It's asking you to find the volume of this solid figure. So all you have to do is count the cubes or find the base and then count the cubes. So in this case, there are 4 unit cubes. Not if this figure was completely filled in, and we had a cube there, and so then that would be a base of 4, and then it would be stacked up twice. It would be 8. However, that's not what we're figuring out here. We're just figuring out the volume of that solid figure. All right, and then this last one, pretty simple. Just find the volume of the base, really, the area of the base. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10 unit cubes. All right, and then down here, in order to find the volume of this shape, we talked a little bit, I think on Wednesday's lesson, of what the area or what the formula for volume is. So volume equals length times width times height. So the length and the width is finding the base, it's the bottom layer, and then we're gonna multiply it by the height. So in this case, we have 2 times 3, that's 6, times 2, so 6 times 2 equals 12 unit cubes. All right, and then this one, we have a length of 2 and a width of 4. So this bottom layer is 8. And then we have that going up, 1, 2, 3, 4, or a height of 4. So 8 times 4 equals 32 unit cubes. And then this last one, we have a length of 3 and a width of 3. So my base layer is 9. And then we have it going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 times 5 equals 45 unit cubes. So just to pull that, or just to take that one step further, or to really break that down, to write them down here and show your formula, we've got 3 times 4, so 3 times 4 equals 12, times 4 equals 48 units cubed. And I'm gonna write a 3 up there to show that this is cubed or 3-dimensional. And then we've got 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15, times 2 equals 30. So 30 units cubed. And then we've got 4 going across, 5 going back, or 4 as my length, 5 as my width. So 4 and 5, that means the base is 20. So that first layer is 20, and then the height is 2. So my full volume is 40 units cubed. Okay, so this is pretty much all you need to know for your quiz that you're gonna take today. So go ahead and either print this PDF out and do the work on your own, and then come back and check your answers with mine. You just quickly have to just glance or watch the video. It's not gonna be a very long video. And check your answers, and then go and take the quiz. Or you don't have to print this out necessarily. You can just do it on a piece of paper, number them 1 through 9, and go in order the way I did, and then come back and check your answers, and then take that quiz. Don't forget to submit your quiz. Have a good week.